Back there? Yeah. You see the guys back there? Oh, they're through behind the tree. Do you see anything, Brianna? No. Sandra, you gotta jump up.
Sun feels good.
It does.
There you go.
Got it on video at least.
Boom.
What is it, a turtle?
Fish jumping.
Oh, those are
Flop around.
I see a snowy egret. Sandra, you see the snowy egret? Mm-hmm. Okay, I got it in focus right now. Yeah. Right across there. You don't touch him. You see it? You may have to move it a little bit. You see it walking, the snowy white bird?
Nice.
No. Did the fish jump? No. There's one right there. It probably jumped out of the water.
They go crazy over there.
Yeah, they are.
See where the little water ledges are? There comes three. See the water stream? Oh, it's swimming there. Oh, I see it swim too. Yeah, it's really hard to look at the sun, isn't it? Oh, there they go. Do you see them? Look up here, honey. Look up this way. They're all just underwater up there. Yeah. Okay, right on there, egret. April 22nd. The snowy white egret, two bald eagles, fish jumping out of the water. What? Here, let's turn this way. You can sit over here on this. Here.
There it is.
What are you doing?
Videotaping.
What are you doing?
Can you pick it up?
Pretty neat. Oh, how romantic. Oh, chipmunk. Something.
Alvin.
Alvin!
It went inside of a hole.
That's what she said. Let's take a picture of our shadows right here.